Hi, welcome back. Uh, in this video, we have third example of the resolutions, but I'm not gonna show the answer first. I like you to try by yourself and then check either your answer is correct or wrong. So what we have to prove, we have to prove John like peanuts. Means either John gonna like the peanuts or not. So we convert this natural language statement into FOL, first order logic. Like John peanuts, predicate, object, properties. Okay, so what we going to prove, John gonna like the peanuts or not. First fact we have, John likes all kind of foods. Second fact, apples are food. Third, chicken is food. Fourth, anything anyone eats and does not get killed is food. Bell eats peanuts and is still alive. Sam eat anything Bell eats. When these six statements are given, facts are given, and using these six facts, we have to prove either John liked the peanuts or not. Now you pause the video and see if you can solve the answers. First pause and take your times and then repause, like play the video to see the answer. Okay, welcome back. Here's the answer. Okay, first we steps what we have in resolutions, negate the statement to be proven. What we have, like John peanuts. First negate not like John peanuts. Negate the statements. The first step. Second, all facts need to be converted in FLO. What was the first statements? John likes all kind of food. All food, colon, food, anything implies like John food. Means if any foods John likes to eat. I'm not using here X, Y or any variables against the words or statements because I like to make everything clear for you all. So that's why I'm using the words. So all food, anything implies like John food. Means if all foods Johnny like it. Third statement is food, apple, food, chicken. It's simple. No conditions either like or not. Simple, no properties. Is declaring the simple statement is chicken is food or apple is food. The fourth statement was anything anyone eats and does not get killed is food. So all anythings, all animals, eats anyone, anything, and alive anyone. Means everyone is going to be alive if they eat anything. It is food. Means if anyone eats anything and all are alive, so what it is, all things are food. Repeat again, anything anyone eats, anyone anything eats and does not killed, and alive not killed, so is food. So it implies food. Means all things what they eat are food. Fifth, Bell eat peanuts and is still alive. Eats Bell peanuts and Bell alive. Bell eats peanuts and is still alive. Eats Bell peanuts and alive Bell. The sixth statement is fact is Sam eats anything Bell eats. Eat Bell anything implies eat Sam anything. Means whatever Bell eats, it eat by Sam as well. So eats, if Bell eats anything, Sam is going to be same eats anything. If it doesn't eat, it doesn't eat. Okay, so converting simple again. John likes all kind of foods. All food anything implies like John foods. Apples are food, chicken are food, anything anyone eat and does not get killed is food. Anything anyone's, if eats anyone anything, and alive everyone foods anything. Means if they eat anything, everyone eats everything and does not killed its food. The fifth statement is Bell ate peanuts and still alive. Eats Bell peanuts and Bell alive. Eats Bell anything, eat Sam anything. Means Sam eats anything what Bell eat. So eats Bell anything. If Bell gonna be eat, Sam gonna be eat the same things. So third step, FOL convert into CNF. Any statements which contain biconditions or implies it converted into CNF. So we don't need to convert second and third. We need to convert the first statement because our first statements contains the implies. So this is act as a, this is act as a B. So what we do, negate A, disconjunctions B. So negate food anything, disconjunctions B, like John food, right? And the third statement, second we don't need to change, third we don't need to change, fourth, yes, fourth always against contain the implies. So this whole statements act as a and this act as a B. So negate A, disconjunctions B. Again, negate A, full statement, implies converted into disconjunctions B. And we apply this negate to inward. So this negate, this disconjunctions converted into this conjunction converted into disconjunctions and employs alive. This one is here, right? And disconjunctions 4. When we apply this inside, it gonna be impact like this. This is missing here, slightly mistake here, and this is also come with the negate signs because negate is apply inside. So negate eats anyone anything, disconjunctions converted, negate alive anything, disconjunctions food. And fifth statement we don't need to change. Yes, sixth we have implies, we again converted into CNF. So this act as a, this whole statement act as a B. So negate A, disconjunctions B. Negate A, disconjunctions B. So all step 2, all these steps we converted into third step, this form. So fourth step, but we have to draw the graph. So I using landscape because it says long statements. First, in the graph we use the statement which we are going to prove. It was John like the peanuts. Negate the statements John not like the peanuts. We need to find out in CNF conversion statements which statement contain the same statements. We have the first one which contain likes John food. So we using the first statement here, food anything, disconjunctions like John, negate like John peanuts. So negate, and this one is not negate, means minus, positive, it's going to be cross. What we have left here, not negate food anything from this side because this is cross, and this is left. We here, and we have to check again which fact in CNF using have these things is food. So in 4 statement we see food anything. What we have 4 statements is negate eats anyone anything, disconjunctions negate alive anyone, disconjunctions food anything. So we're gonna bring the 4 statement here. Again, this is negate and this food is not negate, so we're gonna be cross, negative, positive, cross. What we have left, this one. See, right? So this is, again we're gonna write this here. So again we have to compare the statement which contain these similar words. So in fifth we have the same word. What we have: eat bell peanuts and a live bell. Here you're gonna ask her, here we using anyone, here's we using the name, how come it gonna be same? Of course, we when see all, bell is also including these all peoples. Okay, this is how we can use a bell as well. So all, everyone, anyone, eat anything, and anyone is alive. Eats bell eat peanuts means any peanuts also cover the umbrella of anything. Bell also cover the umbrella of anyone's means anyone, anything covered both two names. So if you see eats bell peanuts and alive, we move this to inside. So eats, if we take negate out, so it's going to be simple statements: eat anything, anyone, anything's, this conjunctions alive. When we take the negation sign outside from this whole statement, of course this conjunction is converted into conjunction, and there's no negative, no negative. So these statements and these statements are same. What we have to change, this is not containing the negations, this contain the negations. So we're gonna be cross these two statements. What we have left, empty clause. Empty clause, the statement is not like the peanut is wrong, it means John like the peanut. Okay, if you if anything makes you confused, please do contact me in comments or text me on WhatsApp, how you like. Okay, so I think it's very simple example. I use 3 examples to explain the resolutions, and I believe is everything is going to be clear to you. Still, if you don't if you feel confused, do contact me. Thank you very much.